students get their hands dirty in conducting research related to cybersecurity and cyber forensics. So the entire semester, they're working on a project that they're interested in related to cybersecurity and forensics. Each group is working on something that's really funky and exciting. There's a group that's working on the forensic and security analysis of the robot vacuums. Another group is working on implantable devices. There's these devices now that you could buy on the internet and you just implant them, and it's a chip that will help you open the door without touching it, for example. Are they safe? Can we get data from them? If you're in my field, you will never say something's never going to be hacked. That's just impossible, right? So the idea is, what if? What if something was hacked? Then we say, okay, well, how do you prevent that from happening? And this is kind of the sphere of where the students are doing some really interesting work. LSU is one of only 22 universities with a Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Operations designation. You'll be getting your hands dirty working on some really amazing research projects that are industry related, that change people's lives, that really do something that's significant. And we're putting out research that people care about. LSU is definitely the place for anybody that wants to pursue a cybersecurity degree, and I can't think of a better alternative.